This is Paxton Pits Nature Reserve and we're walking around the meadow trail. Chilly breeze, but you know, that's what you get when you walk out here. Lovely. Can't get enough of it. No telling what we're going to see today. But a bit muddy along here after all the snow's melted. Anyway, let's continue. Let's go see what we can see, as it were. Over there, that's the visitor centre. And the new building on the back end. Already we're hearing the great tits and the blackbirds and the crows and the blue tits, and of course our little friend the robin, he's around, you can hear him. You can also hear the finches. Oh, don't want to tread in that, do we? Wonder if they'll be out today, because they do have the cows wandering around this place. Adds to the excitement of the fun. Try not to get run over by a cow. Now this is Rudd Pit, one of the smallest lakes here. Out there, look, we've got tufted ducks. Black-headed gull. And a couple of swans have just seen me. Everybody loves swans, I'm sure they do. I know for a fact I do. I'm going to stand here and wait, because they're coming. You can hear the moorhen over the background. Isn't she wonderful? Now this is a look at the meadow. Taking it easy, I don't want to tread in any cow dung. Don't want smelly feet. Like I said in another video, you know, it's totally different here in spring and summer when everything's green. I mean, yeah, there is green around, but nothing like it is in spring and summer, as you would expect with it being winter. And obviously we're not seeing much around here, but just try to imagine that this is all you get. No sounds, no birds, no nothing. And that is what's going to happen if we don't start and look after our wildlife. And that's what my videos are about, showing you the beauty of the wildlife. Now we need them more than they need us. So if it's a barren landscape with nothing, that's what we're going to end up with. There we have a carrion crow in the tree. Another tufted duck. That's a Gadwell. Gadwell male, Gadwell female. Can you hear that? I'm not sure if you can. But he's over there somewhere, and that's a greenfinch. Love the noises they make. It's 8:38 AM, very early in the morning for us to be around here. But just listen to that. I never ever get bored of walking around here, even if we only see the odd robin, blue tit, whatever. The sounds, it's just enough for me. I've got great tits flying all over in front of us, blue tits, blackbirds, black-headed gulls, and there's another blue tit over there. It's awesome. And this is the Great River Ouse that runs down the side of the reserve, and in some areas through it. Now this is the beach area, what they call the beach because of all this gravel. And as I reported earlier in the year of 2009, the people throwing stuff into the water, logs, sticks, whatever for dogs to get, is dead. No waterfowl, no toilet. We're still on the meadow trail, and I've just witnessed something that I am disgusted at. Something that really gets the hairs on the back of my neck to stand up. I hate people that abuse animals, and some bastards just kicked a dog. The dog didn't deserve that. If the stream hadn't been in the way, we'd have been over there and I kicked him in his... I hate people like that. They shouldn't be allowed to have dogs. The video clip will be sent to the RSPCA. Don't know who he is, maybe they can get the police to find out. I hate people like that. It really does get on my nerves. There's the river running down the side. Can't see it now because of the trees. Well, fingers are starting to feel a bit chilly, getting a bit numbified. Still, this is fun. This is what I like doing. And this is what I'm going to do, because I love it. Oh dear, I hope you don't mind me rabbiting on like I do. I'm normally very quiet behind the camera, but as it's early in the morning, I thought, ooh, a couple of swans. Let's go down here and have a look. See how fast this river's flowing. There's the swans.